Before I came to law school, I was a licensed mental health counselor, and so I was very passionate about that career, and I was looking for a way to kind of bridge the psychology part of helping people with the legal part, and mediation to me is somewhere in the middle. So you have the legal documents, the pleadings and the draftings that you deal with, but you also have that personnel and where you get to interact with clients and kind of think about alternative ways to settle disputes. And so to me, it was a happy medium. It was also another way for me to generate income outside of being an attorney. It was a position that I could have as a law student while still immersing myself into the court system. So it just seemed like an interesting trade to pick up in addition to my history and then where I planned on going. So it's definitely helped me just become more adaptable and flexible in how I approach different situations. It's helped with my cultural awareness and competency and just recognizing the different backgrounds that people have and how those backgrounds can present and bring different perspectives and problems and how to deal with them. It's also helped me with my legal skills in terms of negotiating and communication and empathy, and I draft marital settlement agreements and parenting plans. And so it's giving me this just like holistic view of skills that I can have when I graduate. So typical day is just reading the email, so seeing who wants to schedule a mediation, emailing them back, sending out engagement letters for those who have already scheduled, so just kind of letting them know the fee schedule and the rules and what they can expect. And then it's also going into the mediation, so meeting with clients who are representing themselves, we call them pro se, or meeting with clients who are represented by counsel, and really reading the pleadings, so any type of motions that have been submitted, any type of agreements, and then figuring out where the disconnect is. What are the parties' major problems, and helping them kind of foster this joint problem solving process in which they can come to an amicable agreement for the both of them. I think people should participate in the mediation clinic here because it just gives you this invaluable experience. It helps you with your negotiation skills. It helps you with your summarization skills. It helps you with your communication skills, your networking. You have the opportunity to work with attorneys in a different setting than just their kind of understudy. Again, that cultural awareness and competency, that diversity component that you get. It also allows for self-assessment, so you get to practice mediations and receive feedback from real professionals, and then also just self-reflection for yourself. So just the opportunity to be able to say, hey, this is what I did well, these are things that I want to improve on. So it helps you not only become a great mediator, which is a new career, but then also helping you become a better future attorney. Just speaking in generally, I meet a lot of clients who are just in these highly conflictual situations, stressed, in and out of courtrooms, paying legal fees, and being able to just provide the opportunity for them to feel heard, to feel seen, to kind of resolve that conflict, anger, and stress that can be surrounding different legal processes, saving them money in litigation and court filing fees, opening the lines of communication. It's really just an opportunity for me to advocate not for just one person specifically, but for able to advocate for everybody involved in the process. I decided to come here, one, because I did a ton of research on the school and I loved just their mission statement, what they stood for. I love the close-knit community that it provides. So even just the smaller building that you have, that easy access to professors and any type of administration or help that you need. If you are looking for a school and a community that will uplift you, empower you, support you, and provide any resource that you need to be successful, then this is the school for you. If you're looking for a larger scene, this may not be it, but if you're looking for really that personable feeling, no matter if it's the interactions with the custodians, the security, if it's financial aid, they're definitely going to make sure that you feel like you're being catered to as a student, your needs are being heard as a person, and your interests are being considered as a future attorney in the legal field. If anybody is considering becoming a mediator, to definitely just give it a try. Just look into it. You have the opportunity to complete 24-hour county training, become a Florida Supreme Court certified county mediator, and it's pretty much just a really rewarding career and you won't regret it.